Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online earning platform known as GMP, the withdrawal method of this platform. How do you withdraw money from this platform? That is the question I have been receiving. What are the requirements one need to meet to be able to place withdrawal on this platform? In this video tutorial, I am going to be explaining all that. We are going to be taking the full analysis of this platform, including the withdrawal, which is the main reason why I am producing this video. To those who have asked me to produce the video on how to place withdrawal and the requirements one need to meet before he or she can be able to withdraw their earnings from this platform. Okay, but before I proceed, guys, my name is Paki, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates. I teach people how to make money online with their smartphone on this channel on daily basis. So if you're an online hustler, you have smartphone, you have a laptop, and you don't know how you can actually utilize those devices to be generating income for you by even being self-employed, then worry no more, because I get you covered, because I'm going to be teaching you guys some strategies you can actually use to make money online with your smartphone. So all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest money making updates, any of my teachings on money making online, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button showing your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified you will be notified whenever I release videos on how to make money online with your smartphone or your PC laptop. Okay, now let's proceed to this video. What is JMP all about? JMP is an online earning platform which actually claims they pay members when they do task. And how real is this? We'll still find out in this video. Don't forget, the purpose of this video is to show you guys how to withdraw and the requirements you need to meet before you can place your withdrawal from this platform. But before we do that, we will take some analysis of this platform. Okay, please do not forget that Legit Boss is not a financial advisor. I'm always advising viewers that you should also conduct your own background researches before taking any action on any platform. Don't just watch someone video and say, the platform is 100% legit. It doesn't work that way, guys. Conduct your own researches. That is my advice to anyone watching this video. I am not a financial advisor. I am doing this video based on the questions I have received. For I produce my videos based on questions users of any platform or viewers my viewers are asking. That is how I create my videos. Okay, so why am I creating the videos? I'm creating the video to answer a specific question, to solve problems. That is the reason why we create this video. Okay, so now this platform now here, when you do task, some social media task, TikTok, etc, the Bluetooth task the platform has made available on their platform, when you actually do those tasks, you earn money as they claim. Now after you have earned this money, how do you now withdraw it? That is the question we are asking ourselves, and that is what we are going to be looking into on this platform. Now this is your dashboard. Okay, you have your profile. This is your dashboard, how your dashboard looks like. And then they have the home page. When you see the home page, they have the option of wallet. And then when you go to your profile, they have the option of this thing here. They have the option of your profile here, where you see your accumulated balance and the rest of them. Okay, now when you have accumulated this balance, now the question now, how do you withdraw? Now this platform has 3 requirements one need to meet before he or she can place withdrawal. The first requirement is that you have to earn at least 200 USDT here on your dashboard or on your profile from the task you perform on the platform. And then the second requirement is that you need to invite 10 friends to do KYC. KYC simply means know your customer. That is to verify the account, and then they must accumulate the minimum of 400 USDT, which I will show you guys when you come to my team. When you click on your team, what this simply means is that you can see, for example, this person is under my team here and he's having 160 USDT. That's what he has earned so far. And this one is having 222, and this one is having 120. So what they mean is that they must have 400 USDT here recorded. So when you have 10 friends having 400 USDT recorded here on their profile, then you know that the requirement 2 is completed. Okay, and when they have completed this requirement now, the third requirement now is that the platform require you to message the customer service to now upgrade your account to VIP. So when they upgrade your account to VIP, that is now when you can now have access to place your withdrawal. Now, for it to be easy for you, please, it is also important for them not to delay you. You also have $400 here. You know, that is how this thing really works. It's not all about having 200 USDT here, but when you also have 100 USDT here, when you are doing their task, when you have the 400 USDT here, and you message them with the screenshot of everything, they can actually respond to you faster. But when you're having 200 USDT here, they will even overlook you because they will calculate if you are having 200 USDT and your members should also be having that the same amount with you. For example, the people you invited and they joined the same day with you, which means they are also having the same amount with you. That is the reason why maybe sometimes when you message the customer service with the screenshot, they will overlook you. But when they look at your message that you are also having the 400 USDT, they will upgrade you to VIP and you can actually withdraw money. As simple as that. Okay, how do you withdraw this money? You withdraw it to your USDT account. You come to your home, you see the option of wallet. When you click on wallet, you see the option of withdrawal. You click on it to paste your address, and then you can actually request your withdrawal. Now, when you withdraw this money, are they going to pay you in full? The answer is capital no. Okay, the answer is capital no. Now you are going to receive 50% of any amount you withdraw from the platform for the first time because of the promo for the task you have completed. So if you're having 200 USDT here on your balance, I am not advising you to do your task, and I am not advising you not to do your task. Okay, like I said, I am making this video to answer questions which people have been asking me, and that is what I am doing on this video. But what I know out of my own experiences is what I am now telling you guys. So you should have $400 here before messaging their customer service so that they can respond to you. That's for those of you who are into this platform. And then I believe that this video has answered your questions, guys. And I said, let me say it again, please, the platform has 3 requirements. First requirement, you should have the minimum of 200 USDT, which I recommend you should have 400 USDT for you to get the response quickly. And then your friends, those who are invited, at least the 10 of them should have 400 USDT balance with you. And then thirdly, you measure them to upgrade you to VIP. So when they upgrade you to VIP, you can place your withdrawal smoothly. For example, if you place withdrawal of 200 USDT, what you are going to receive is 100 USDT because 50 USDT will be held. Which means they are reserving 50 USDT for themselves, and then they are paying you 50 USDT. Sorry, they are paying you 100 USDT, and then they are reserving 100 USDT to themselves. So that is how this platform withdrawal works. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any other question in regards to this platform, the comment section is widely open for you. You can comment below. I'll be there to reply you. And then if you have another platform you will want to ask question on, or you will want me to review for you if the platform is a legitimate platform or a scam platform, that is why we are here. We are here to help you answer any question of any platform, review any platform. So if you have any platform you want me to look into it for you, you can comment the name of the platform in the comment section, or better still, you can still reach me on WhatsApp. I will help you look into the platform. Okay, it is very crucial for you to always conduct research, adequate background researches before joining any platform. I always advise my viewers to do researches before joining any platform. Don't just join platform because others are joining. Before you join, always make researches. Use YouTube to research, use Google to research, any search engine at all you can think of, use them to make researches. Verify the authenticity of any platform before joining. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss. Thank you.